So this right here is a donut. It's a giant donut. It's the biggest donut that's available at Ravin's Donuts here in Victorville. This thing costs $5, and I don't even know how many donuts it's equal to. But I want to see what it tastes like. I mean, it's a bit thick. But it's plenty sweet. At moments, it actually feels more like a cake donut. Like the top is like cake, and the bottom is more flaky, like an actual like glazed. Super sweet, and it's really as big as your face. We got the cup, the chair. I wish I had a big old cup of coffee to dip this in. This is one of the biggest donuts I've ever eaten or seen up close. Honestly, Ravin's has some really good normal donuts too. If you're ever up in the high desert on your way to Vegas, I recommend you give them a try. Thick and cakey. When it takes a whole donut box to carry the donut, you know you're onto something special. And they were funny. They gave me a fork and knife, but I guess they don't know what I'm about. A lot of dough. A lot of sugar. You can almost see through time. Ravin's Donuts and Ice Cream. Oh yeah. Another Victorville original. We all gotta stay out of trouble during this quarantine. And where possible, I'm going to do my part to support local businesses and eat locally. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up if you did. Or a like, I don't know what platform this is on. And I will see all of you next time. So until we do it again, stay at home, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.